I've just started ripping up the flooring. Frankie? What are you doing? Come, Frankie, come on, leave. Leave. Come here. She hasn't been using her ears much lately. As I was saying, we've just started ripping up our flooring down our hallway just to see what the different floor types are under the flooring, the laminate flooring that we currently have. We knew that there were a mix of the chipboard flooring and the original hardwood flooring, but we weren't sure exactly how level it is. So before we can actually get laminate, we need to make sure that it's dead level. Otherwise, Frankie is still playing out. Otherwise, the laminate won't sit nicely. So here's how it's looking. So we've got to change here, and then it changes again. Look at the state of that. And then there, they've used like the hardwood floors to make it level, but it's, I'm not even sure if that is even level. It feels level, but who knows. So I'm just going to rip all this up. Mooch has made a great job while I've been in Tianao, sanding and plastering all the walls, the imperfections in the walls, and that's looking really good. Tuesday, and Georgia and I have just finished ripping up the floors. So the flooring has actually ended up a lot better than we thought it was going to look like under here. We expected it to... Frankie! We expected it to look pretty bad, and we weren't sure the level of the flooring and exactly how it was going to look under here, if we had bad floorboards or whatever. So down here you can see that we've got a whole lot of different flooring types. We've got the standard... Oh wait, what are you doing? We've got the standard flooring, the pine flooring, I think it is, like chipboard, and it's very patchy. And then through here is the very original flooring that looks like it's been covered because it's not stained or anything like that. And then through here is another type of flooring. Frankie, come. And then through here another type of flooring. So our plan here is to have flooring running all the way down this hallway. So when you walk in, it is all vertical rather than what it was like previously horizontally. This is the flooring we've ripped up. So Georgia and I will most likely one day buy a batch, or who knows, an investment property or something like that. So we're going to keep this flooring. We were going to sell it, but we'll keep it because you never know what it'll be good for.
Hey guys, so we've had a bit of a hectic weekend. So our plan was to get the kitchen all done. Yesterday we discovered there was a swimming pool under our house, so that was fun. So we've had a plumber in and he couldn't do too much, so he's just shut the hot water off, and then hopefully they'll sort that out on Monday. So we've drained all the water, done pretty much all the black white, painted the ceiling alabaster, and I'm just about to do all the trims.
I've just installed this black exposed wardrobe, so literally Georgia and I had just painted that. We are putting in some recycled shelves that used to be the architraves, but obviously we've replaced them. It's going to be really cool. And look how bloody good this black, white and alabaster combo is looking. So nice, especially in a day like this. I'm going to show you the bed. Brace yourself. Boom. Oh God. We are packing this room up as we speak, ready to get Todd in to do the electrics behind here. He's our brother-in-law and an electrician, does an amazing job. I'll put a link in the bio for him. And also putting in the skirting boards here, ready for the carpet, fixing up this. And Mooch is busy as we know. Our flooring is in and it looks incredible. We are so happy with it. So much hard work has gone into this, and Flooring Xtra have just really pulled through on this one. Here it is. So we went with soft oak from the Impressive range, and the product itself is called Quick Step. So you can see that the grains itself, nothing really repeats, so it looks like natural floorboards. And like when you feel it, the grooves in the board feel like just natural floorboards, like those ones there. Incredible, so good. And we also went with the powder coated black trim because we're going to be painting these handles again, and we're even thinking about painting these now as well. Mind the messy kitchen. As you can tell, we haven't really got time for housekeeping. So tomorrow we are getting carpet all through here. Man, we are so excited. So today's mission is to clean up the house, get everything out into the garage, and get ready for the carpenters to come in. And also tidy up the skirting boards. As you can see behind me, there's no skirting boards there, but that's okay because it doesn't need carpet on it. So it's just about tidying things like that there up, making sure that that's all looking sharp. These ones here are all finished. How good do they look? So I installed some blocks in there to join the architraves and the skirting boards, and they come up really well. What I've done is I've left a small gap underneath the skirting boards, and that basically means that the skirting boards will still be really high without the carpet covering like 15 mils of the skirting board. Right, guest bedroom number 1 is nearly clean. And by clean I mean everything's out of it, and we need to rip up this carpet. And I am, I don't know where to start and where to finish, to be honest. At the moment I am going around and painting and caulking all the edges because I want the end result to look like this on everything, just nice and smooth. So that takes time, and literally every corner you discover things like this. And you can see like there, once it focuses there, so I'll need to cook that up to make it nice and smooth. It's not hard at all to do that. So in between jobs I am installing the blocks here and here. I should have done this earlier, but we've had a lot on.